Welcome. In this episode, I shall virtually take you to a stunning location almost 40 km from Ranchi. I am highly fascinated by the smooth road and the views on either side of the road. I arrived and checked into the hotel in Ranchi at around 3 p.m. I was not sure about going to this place where I am proceeding now. Thanks to Mr. Mandal of Hotel Swarn for quick arrangement. I am witnessing the mesmerizing Patratu Valley located in Ramgarh district of Jharkhand. It has an average elevation of little more than 400 meters. Patratu Valley comes while descending from Chota Nagpur plateau, from Ranchi and from Pithoria side. The valley looks beautiful with its roads taking hairpin bends. It is now 4 p.m. and the surrounding is little dark. As a result, the water of Patratu reservoir on the downhill side is not clearly visible. The specific hairpin curves, the winding roads below, and green environment offers a beautiful view of the entire valley. I admit it is one of the most picturesque sights that I have ever seen in Jharkhand. I was told that in a rainy day, the place is perfect place to visit. It is a neat and clean road, cut through the mountains and has many of those S-bends. It is directly connected to several important places by train, as there is a Patratu railway station. There is also a bus station where buses are available from many cities of Jharkhand and West Bengal. As I said, the Patratu Valley is one of the most beautiful places in Jharkhand. There are many other reasons why you should come to the valley. The vibrant park is a must visit here, as it is a beautiful place with lots of fun. You can also take a boat ride in the massive lake. The striking Patratu Lake Resort and Patratu Dam are popular for their natural beauty, scenic landscape and water sports. There are boats that provide joyrides to tourists.